Are you noticing your head leaning forward more and more after spending long hours in front of the computer? Poor posture, especially forward head posture and uneven spinal loading, can lead to long-term discomfort. Today, I want to share 3 simple resistance band exercises that can help you correct your posture and restore balance to your spine.
Exercise 1. Resistance band chest expansion. Key points: always maintain a straight posture and engage your core throughout the movement. Focus on extending your spine to avoid slouching. As you pull the band apart, feel your shoulder blades squeezing together at the back.
Sun setting low, golden glow, whispers of wind gently blow.
Exercise 2. Resistance band side press. Key points: keep your body aligned and your core engaged at all times. Focus on extending the spine to avoid any slouching or collapse. As you lean to the side, make sure to stabilize your shoulders to reduce any uneven spinal tilt. Exercise 3. Arc expansion with resistance band. Key points: maintain a straight posture and engage your core. Focus on lengthening your spine to prevent slouching. As you move your hands in an arc motion from front to back, keep the band taut, ensuring the tension remains constant. This helps to mobilize the shoulders and upper back, increasing shoulder joint flexibility and relieving tension caused by forward head posture.
Lay back in the mix, sipping something cool, gotta slow it down. Let the rhythm move, feeling the breeze, the calm, the ease. Let the slow tempo put your mind at ease. Moving like water, flowing so serene. This mellow groove is the perfect scene. Take a deep breath, let the stress dissolve. Drift away on this rhythm, let it evolve. Just let it slow down. Let it unwind, chill vibes filling up your mind. It's a slow to moderate tempo. Take a moment, let your worries go. Sun setting low, golden glow, whispers of wind gently blow. Time to unwind, let it all go. Easy breeze, slow and low. Heartbeat slows, mind at ease. Soft melodies carried by the breeze. Embracing the calm, finding my peace. In this moment, serenity released. Easy breeze, carry me away to a place where worries fade, where the world slows down.